Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Put AirPods in your ears, open settings, and make sure Bluetooth is on. Then select your AirPods from the device list. Once paired, make sure volume is low before playing audio so you don't get a burst of sound. If you want continuous output even when one AirPod is removed, disable automatic ear detection in Bluetooth device settings. This gives predictable playback behavior and prevents pauses when an earbud is taken out. Now route audio explicitly to the AirPods. Swipe to open Control Center, press and hold the audio card, then tap the output icon and select your AirPods. Make sure the app you use isn't overriding output. Some apps have their own audio selector, so double-check within the app. Once selected, play a short clip and adjust volume on the device. This sets both system and app levels. Maintain a stable Bluetooth range. Walls and pockets reduce signal quality and may cause dropouts. Finish by verifying consistent playback across apps and then fine-tune volume and equalization. If you get no sound, first check battery levels and Bluetooth range, then try disconnecting and reconnecting in Bluetooth settings. If that fails, reset the AirPods. Hold the case button until the light flashes, then repair. Make sure audio balance isn't skewed in accessibility, and restart your phone if problems persist. One troubleshooting tip: toggling Bluetooth off and on often clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.